Unit 4, Recording 17. Listen and write. 1. Hi, Tessa.
Hi.
Tell me about your job.
Well, I'm an actress.
Really? Wow. Do you like acting?
Yes, I do. I love it.
2. And how old are you, Tessa?
I'm 16.
Are you still studying at school?
Yes, I am. I'm studying and working at the same time.
3. Where are you working right now?
I'm working in a theatre. I'm acting in a play.
What's the play?
Romeo and Juliet.
4. Do you always work in the theatre?
No, sometimes I work in films and TV. I do a lot of TV work.
5. What do you like about TV work?
Well, I like TV work because it's exciting and fun.
Thanks very much, Tessa. Good luck with your play.
Thank you.